Tradgarden is a much-loved entertainment venue located in the centre of Gothenburg, Sweden's second largest city. The wood-clad concrete box operates like a complex machine for dancing and entertainment, where people can move about freely with very few blind alleys. The playful layout offers varied and occasionally dizzying rooms and spaces. The venue was designed by the architectural practice Studio Groen, with Fredrik Lund as chief architect, and was built in 1998. A key aspect of the building's architecture is the garden trellis on the park side, which forms a leafy backdrop overlooking the park and brings effective depth and shade to the otherwise simple form. Tradgarden is an example of how the Swedish Wood Awards jury likes to see wood interacting with other materials. The frame of this building is concrete, with steel posts and trusses. The role of the wood is to create warmth and enjoyment through the interior details and the surfaces of the public spaces. Larch clads the garden pavilion facing the park, while the interior uses stained and lacquered birch and birch plywood. The building was nominated for the Swedish Wood Award in 2000.